Massive, Gregory Isaacs, he's coming. Don't worry about it.
This is a rare concert footage of Gregory Isaacs at his best, performing his greatest hits.
Gregory! Give me great pleasure to welcome the man, Gregory Isaacs!
Drop your most favorite Gregory Isaacs songs in the comments.
Are you ready? Oh yeah, somebody help me. Yeah, fighting against conviction, yeah. One man against all nations. I didn't present no damage, no prayer, so I became one man against the world. Yeah, one man against the world. My God. But the sun shines to me, and I never cry 'cause I know that the rain falls for me. I'm not too big and the salary I earn it then, but I realize when they start out one day I must win. Lord, tell me how you feeling? La da, my God, ooh yeah, la da 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 please don't hurt me if you want to and in my heart. Yeah. Okay, isn't in my top 10, still see it on my chart. The way she loved me, sweet, sweet memory. Oh God, maybe it's the beginning of her misery. I mean it, and I don't give her so cheap when you see it. And she still takes the lesson from me. Oh yeah, she isn't in my top 10, still she is on my chart. Lord. Sitting in the back bench, she'll see the shooting from my class. The way she loved me, sweet, sweet memory. Oh gosh, maybe it's the beginning of her misery. I mean it, and I don't give her so cheap when you see it. 'Cause she still taking lessons from me. Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching, and remember to drop your most favorite Gregory Isaacs songs in the comments.
Betty brought happiness into my world, and now I'm afraid of loneliness. Somebody else said I'm afraid of loneliness. Alright, die.